Here I come to the Taratala metro station. Welcome to my latest vlog. Here I'm getting to the ticketing section as I walk through, and let's not waste much time. There's an escalator entry on the other side, so staircase entry and escalator entry is here. As you can see, this is the ticketing section. As you can see very clearly. Also, if you see clearly, the display board says next train, the one I'm going to catch is at 3:30 p.m. That's for Joka, the last terminating station 3:30, 4:30 and also 5:30. So these are the three trains available since service shuts at around 6. That's one thing, and you can also use smart cards and tokens as well. Now, one thing to note here, as of now, you cannot use the escalators to come to the platform. You have to use the lift. Which is the lift? And as you can see, a lot of first comers also. They are also here to catch a train. Ha ha ha. They'll find themselves in my blog. Ha ha. Wait. And as you can see, the door is about to shut, meaning the 4 p.m. Cinderella hour has arrived. And it's time for the train to chug along towards Taratala. The train has started on its return journey. Remember, trains will only be, as of now, in 1 hour intervals up until any further developments. Heard it. Now we're gonna chug along and let's see what we can show you in this journey. I hope you're enjoying the sights so far, and I've added some background music also for you to enjoy on this trip. Also, if you notice clearly, they're having a great time as well. These passengers, for some of them maybe it's a joyride. Pleasure trippers getting in, as you can see, and we leave again. Just under a minute of stopover. That's all we needed to jump towards, if I'm not mistaken, you'll reach the Joka-Taratala. Absolutely. The announcers just called it there. Correct. It's Joka-Taratala we're heading towards. Giving you a view of what is on the other side of the street. So far, excuse me, so far so good. Just like that, we made it to Joka-Taratala. Chugging out again. Just left Shopping Bazaar. Next we're heading towards Behala Chowrasta. This way. You all are enjoying this video as I'm giving a picture of what travel would like to and from Behala and elsewhere once the whole project from Joka towards Esplanade is complete. But I again give you the caution, you probably know by now, trains chug along only in 1 hour intervals and that there's no service between noon and 3 p.m. Again, you can use coins, or should I say tokens, and smart card. Tokens and smart cards are allowed. If you don't have a smart card, you can buy a token to the vehicles at the moment. And we just made it to Chowrasta. Look at the greenery. Wow. Who would have dreamed there would be a metro service years ago? First, I dedicate this video to memory of my parents who didn't live long enough to see this day. I used to be in Behala 30 years ago. And we're now entering Behala Chowrasta. And there you go. That's Behala Chowrasta. As you can see, people are having a great time taking selfies, videos, snapshots. As another set of people, or should I say the last set of people, now enter Railway City. And we get ready. What is looking like Terminal 1. Alright, we have started our journey again, and now we're heading straight towards Behala Bazaar, the second last station this Got it. We're headed towards Behala Bazaar. just like that, we get ready for terminal destination. This is where I started this vlog. That's Taratala. And there you go, we just reached. In under 15 minutes, we covered the entire distance from Joka to Taratala. We just made it. We just made it. Eureka! We just made it. Why don't take ages in a bus? বাসে অনেক সময় লাগে, বাসে তো অনেক সময় লাগে, সেটা আমরা এই মেট্রোতে 15 মিনিটে শেষ। So there you go. How economical is this ride as we get out of this train, as people get ready to get inside. But this journey comes to an end, and wow, it's been a great experience being in this train. And I decided to take the lift, and quite a lot of people I'm walking with. Mono switch na automatic. Are and now lift down. I can feel your heartbeat. Move like a fair. Everybody just walking around. Get off from this lift. Quite a lot of people had gotten into the lift. And that is it. Now, this sign tells it's time to end this journey as we stand in a queue to get out, because quite a lot of people are waiting to get out. And that's what I'm going to do. Also, one thing you notice, the design of coins here in this pillar, because nearby is the Taratala Mint. So not too far away from this station. That's why we got coins embedded in this pillar. Now I take the exit in the lift together with some other passengers as well. And as you can see, which video is that? Let's get to the ground. And this ends the trip, the joyride. It's almost half an hour joyride. Now it comes to a close. Alright, so I've just gotten into the train for the 4 p.m. exit towards Taratala. Normally studying ready for the 4 p.m. trip, the return trip. Hopefully should take the same around 50 minutes. We'll have to see. So this is the lift you have to come and exit by. You could see the very lift by which you come, and this is purple line. So this is the purple line, as we call it, because this is part of the purple line. When it becomes finished, trains can chug along to as far as Esplanade. And once again, take a look, people are having a great time taking snaps, selfies, videos, and everything else they can imagine to be. Now then, the train has just entered the station. Alright? And some people are gonna actually exit out of the station. They came all the way from Joka, so they're gonna actually come out of it, and here they are. And now I'm getting inside the train. I get inside the train. That's straight. It's typical like trains you see every day on the metro. Not like the metro. And there are people hee-hawing. Waiter. Wow. See? They're having a great time.
It's no longer fair. No dreaming, nothing left to share.
This is where I am inside the metro, waiting for the train to chug along anytime now. Usually around 3:30. It's now 3:16. As you can see, the train is now chugging along.
Railway station Joka-Taratala, platform Joka. Agla station Joka-Taratala, platform Taratala. The next station is Joka-Taratala, platform is on the right side.
There you go. So the train is just chugging along. Also, another gentleman is taking video as well. And we just approached Behala Bazaar. There you go, the voice tells you that this is Behala Bazaar, and some people will disembark and others will get in. And now from Behala Bazaar, the train has left off to its next station. The announcement you will hear anytime now.
Station Joka, platform Joka. Agla station Joka.
There you go. Now we are heading towards Joka.
Station is Joka. Platform is on the right side.
As you can see around, yeah. Just reached Joka. It sounds like the train is slowing. That's what I'm feeling. Because the train is slowing, so I'm feeling that train is just somehow made it to Joka. Let's see what we get here. Waiting. Response? No. boat. People are coming. They've just arrived here from the Chorasta station. Some people have just come in. And we're getting ready for takeoff once again. And the train once again chugs along. The train has just left Behala Chorasta. We left Behala Chorasta.
Boroboti station, Shokher Bazaar.
There you go. We're now heading to Shokher Bazaar,
Adwa
another
station,
popular
Shokher
area
Bazaar.
in the Behala area.
Taratala. The next station is Shokher Bazaar. Platform is on the right side.
Take a look at the vegetation. This is a sporting field where Shahrukh Ganguly used to play. That's according to the description of one of the passengers. That's great to hear. We're chugging along now in normal speed.
Station, Shokher Bazaar.
Just like that, we made it to Shokher Bazaar.
Station, Shokher Bazaar. Station, Shokher Bazaar. Platform is on the right side.
We started on our journey once again. So we just now left
Boroboti station, Thakur.
sorry, in fact rather we reached
Adwa station.
So we left Shokher Bazaar, now we're on our way to Thakur.
The next station is Thakur. Platform is on the right side.
Having a great chat. Some really young people. It's great.
Station, Thakur. Platform.
There you go. Thakur Pukur is just
Station, Thakur. Platform, Daldigi. Station, Thakur. Platform, Taratala. Station, Thakur. Platform is on the right side.
there you go. That's a very excellent viewpoint as we chug along to the final destination, which is Joka. Look at the shanties and all that.
Boroboti station, Joka.
You heard it. There you go. Joka is the final station in this trip, this joyride that started from Taratala, and we are finishing it here in Joka, and you can see some buildings, some high rises. which you probably didn't see in the initial stages of this video vlog. So we're almost in the last phase. And look, how much time? We just hardly took, what, 10-15 minutes perhaps so far? Look at this. What would take normally ages, more than half an hour, 40 minutes perhaps, in a bus, due to traffic stops and all that. With this, with the magic of this metro, you can actually make it to Joka around like what, 15 minutes odd at the most. And that's of course a beautiful thing about this metro. And we're almost reaching the end of the strip. And the beautiful sunset sighting there. It's just after 3:43 as I record this video. Look, some interesting sights there on the way as you approach Joka. That's Joka, Joka. Those of you have heard of the name first time, this is Joka. We are reaching the end of this joyride, if I will. And there you go, people are playing. Oh wow, you see people are playing in this area. I would assume football or cricket or something, but they're playing. Sounds like they're playing cricket. You heard it. You heard it. So that's the terminal station of this stretch. And that's where the journey finishes. And we're all going to exit. That's what we're going to do. Exit the station. And this is where everybody is going to disembark. Just finished our Joka trip in I think what 20, oh no, take a look. If you take at the clock, I think we clocked it in 15 minutes. See, we started at 3:30 p.m. and we finished in just about 15 minutes. Wow, that's great, huh? Now we're gonna exit. We're gonna exit. That's what we're doing here in this. I'm doing here in this vlog. So we're gonna exit to Escape. As you can see, a lot of people there. Flower garlands lying from yesterday's first trip, and we're gonna leave now. The signboard says towards Esplanade, but of course after Esplanade it's yet to be complete. All right. So now we're now leaving to the escalator. That just about finishes this stretch of the trip, shall we? And as you can see at the exit, people are waiting to get out of the station. So quite a good system, I would say. That's my review. Other opinions can vary. And that just about it is to this leg of the trip. And as you can see, we've just left the station, it's heading towards ESI Hospital. So we're heading towards the exit. And after that will be, that's what my next plan is, to take the return journey to Taratala. That's going to be the next thing, target. And as you can see, here's Joka. That's where we have to disembark, and that's where the whole metro line ends. Its actual origination, when it is completed, the project will be from Esplanade, and this Joka is the terminating station, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to be heading to take the return train back to Taratala again. But this is how it looks like when you walk to on the streets, on the street below the station. So just like you would see on the overground station, you know, not the underground but the overground station. So now I'm going to be on my way into entering for the Taratala train. So down below the street, this is the escalator, not so clean. Alright, so the escalator is how I'm gonna get upstairs. As you can see my mirror image, I'm gonna head right upstairs to my destination, which is to get a train back to Taratala. And as you can see, it's written we are heading towards the concourse. And there you go, we are into the concourse. Now I'm gonna have to cut a ticket. Same way as it was done at Taratala station, same procedure here, also here at the Joka station. And I'm guessing my next train could be around 4:30, is it? Let's see. Let's try to figure out ourselves. There you go. This is the ticketing area, and I'm gonna cut a ticket. That of course is the most important. Take a look at the fares. The most important thing. One thing for sure, when this project is complete, when this train system gets extended to Esplanade, trust me, journey from here to the other side will be much faster. Already, as you can see, it took 15 minutes odd from Taratala to Joka, and the same, almost lesser than that, same time time period it took from Joka here in Taratala. So that's a total half-an-hour journey. So you can imagine how fast it takes to reach. Usually they take a bus or some other modes, and a lot of traffic jams can take half an hour, even hours, who knows? The road conditions. So yeah, the metro would be easy alternative, but a lot of long way to go. First it has to improvise the number of services per hour. You will have only one service per hour at this stage. Hopefully there's scope for more improvement, and of course, you know, as I said earlier, 12 to 3 there's no train. Trains only available from 10 to 12 and 3 to 6 o'clock. There you go. Thank you for watching. Until the next vlog, stay good.